Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Amazon seller account for extra income, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Amazon seller account, start by visiting the Amazon Seller Central website. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to log in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. If you choose to create a new account, provide the required personal information like your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, click on Create Your Amazon Account to proceed. Next, you will receive a verification email from Amazon. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Amazon Seller Central page and log in with your new credentials. You will then be prompted to choose between the individual or professional selling plans. Select the plan that best fits your needs. The individual plan has no monthly fee but incurs a per-sale fee. If you opt for the professional plan, be aware there is a monthly subscription fee, but it offers additional selling features. After selecting your plan, click on the Continue button to move forward. The next step is to provide your business information. Enter your legal business name, address, and phone number accurately. You will also need to specify the type of business you will operate. Next, provide your tax information for compliance purposes. This may include entering your social security number if you are a sole proprietor. Amazon will also ask for your bank account details for payment processing. Enter your bank name, account number, and routing number to ensure you can receive funds. To verify your identity, you will need to upload a government-issued ID. This could be a driver's license, passport, or other valid identification. Now, you will be asked to add product information. Choose the category of products you plan to sell on Amazon. Add product details, including titles, descriptions, and pricing. Once you've filled in this information, review all entered details for accuracy. Finally, agree to the Amazon selling policies and terms of service. After confirming, click on the Finish button to submit your application. Your account will be reviewed by Amazon, which may take up to 48 hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.